He hated that. Oh, do you think you forgot something? It's because you probably did. But don't worry, I'm here to break down 5 products that will make your travel experience so much smoother. We're gonna talk about products from Away, from Apple, from Anker, to make your travel experience that much smoother. First, we have a bag from Away. This is a classic weekender bag. It's nice, it's simple, it's sleek. Away is known for making all sorts of suitcases, but they made a really cool weekender bag. It's got a really durable exterior and these really nice handles. A lot of storage space inside. The best part about it is the amount of compartments that it has. I think compared to all the bags that we looked at, it's got the coolest set of compartments and set up for compartments. There's place for your shoes, there's place for your fragile materials like your laptop, etc., etc. There's a compartment on the outside where you can put special electronics. I think the coolest part about it is it's actually surprisingly spacious, especially compared to the other bags. You can stuff a lot in there with ease. For those who have like the organized mindset, not like me, unfortunately, but the people with a more organized mindset will really appreciate it because there's pockets for everything. It even has one of those holsters for if you're attaching it to a carry-on, it can actually slide on the carry-on handle. It comes in lots of different colors, and I think overall, it's a very solid weekender bag, worth checking out. First of all, great job on packing your bag. That's amazing. However, it won't mean a thing if you lose your bag. Airlines are losing bags left and right, and you want to be aware of where your luggage is. So that's where AirTags come in handy. They're perfect for people that are a little less organized, like myself, because you never know where your bag is or who's handling it at any given moment once you drop it off at the airport. This will help give you that peace of mind. And I also like to use these for all the other smaller things. Again, if you're like me and you might misplace your wallet or your keys, they have attachments for that where you can drop this in all the other important parts of your luggage as well, including your passport holder if you're traveling internationally. Next, you cannot go wrong with a neck pillow. Everyone needs a good neck pillow. If you're like me and you struggle to sleep on planes, this is the one-stop shop solution for finding a comfortable spot for your head. It's not a panacea. It's not going to change your whole, it's not gonna guarantee a good night's sleep, but it can at least guarantee your head a comfortable place to rest. If you're like me and you are a window seat person, I love to take my neck pillow and like push it up against the window seat, but you can get a nice wraparound neck pillow like this one. And then you can be comfortable even in the middle seat. As you can see, this whole thing fit in this tiny bag, so they're super compact and travel friendly. Perhaps the most must-have of these must-haves is a portable charger. We have this power bank from Anker, and we have loved testing Anker's products. I personally have loved testing Anker's products for years. They're just very reliable, they hold a lot of charge, and this is super important, especially if you're going on those long-haul flights. I had a friend fly recently, Zip Air to Tokyo. They don't even have chargers in their seats because it's a low budget long haul carrier. So don't be one of those people who's caught without any power, and invest in a good power bank. It might be the most important must-have product you have, especially if you're traveling with electronics in this day and age. This has multiple ports, multiple ways to charge, and there's other different kinds of portable power banks that can charge different types of devices, but it's important to have, no matter how you travel.
I found charge in a hopeless place.
Found charge in a hopeless place. Last but certainly not least, in our travel must-haves, is a travel blanket. I'm not big on the blankets that they hand you on planes. I mean, some are okay, but it's better to be safe than sorry and bring your own, like this one from Gravel. What's nice is, look how small this is. Look how compact this is. This is super tiny, and look what's about to fit, come out of this thing. It's super light, it's super lightweight, but oh my goodness, this will keep you warm on those cold overnight flights. You can wrap it around you like this. It has a nice button to keep you compact, and you can kind of cocoon yourself. There's a pocket in front, and there's a place for your feet too, if you get cold feet, which I tend to on planes. The nice thing is, as you saw, the entire thing fits in that super tiny container. So all of this is very compact. So out of all the products that we've tested, these are the ones that our testers found were the top must-have products for traveling. But we want to know from you, what are some of the products that you think are travel must-haves? Please feel free to comment below, let us know what you think. Also, it would help if you liked, subscribed, and go ahead and check us out on Instagram and our other social media platforms as well. And also, have a good trip this summer.